Hi there you guys, I'm Teddy from Beading, and in today's super easy tutorial I'm gonna be showing you how to make this daisy chain bracelet with bugle beads. It's a beginners friendly tutorial. Consider subscribing with the bell, liking, sharing and commenting. Also checking the membership option for video courses and digital patterns. In this way I will be inspired for more and more tutorials for you. Okay friends, so what I'm using here are 7mm red bugle beads, 11 seed beads in 3 colors, light pink, red and green, a clasp and a jump ring, a really thin beading thread 0.1mm. You could use fire line for this work, guys. The advice is that these bugle beads could cut through the thread, so maybe it's a good idea to use fire line, but a really thin one, because we have to go many times through the beads. Size 11 beading needle and scissors. I will take a comfortable length of thread on my needle, and when it's over I will show you how to add more thread. Okay friends, and I'm picking up 2 bugle beads. I'm going to slide those down. Here I will leave a tail that is, let's say, 25 centimeters or 10 inches that I will use later to add my clasp. Okay, and I'm going backwards through this bugle, and when I pull I have this. They're nice and tight next to each other. Then I take 2 green beads and I go through this bugle, just like that. 2 more greens, go back, a pink one, go back through all of those, another pink, backwards again. Then I want to go in this pink, take 5 of those beautiful seed beads and go backwards through this one. Then I'm going to reinforce it. And take here 1 red. As I'm exiting from this pink, I want to go in the opposite pink. You see, I'm counting 1, 2, 3, and this one is the opposite. And I go in the same direction where this thread is pointing to, and when I pull I have this in the middle. Then what I want to do is to reach the other end of my work. And turn it the way it's easier for you. And I'm exiting here. Okay, I need 5 again. And with this one here, when I go in circle, I have a circle of 6. And because my thread is thin, I'm going to reinforce it. Here is the step where I take 1 red and I go in the opposite bead and in the same direction where this thread is pointing to. Okay, I go like this. And when I pull, I have this. Another flower is created. And I pull. Then guys, I'm going like this. And I want to exit in this bugle here, in this direction. Okay. Now I want to add 3 bugle beads. And if your thread is thin enough, guys, you can also try to reinforce. Okay, and as I said, I need to add 3 bugles. 1, 2, 3. Now I take 2 green beads, two more, a pink one, another pink, and I will create a flower here. Okay, 5, and I make a circle of 6. I reinforce. I add a red one in the opposite bead and in the same direction where my thread is pointing to. And I repeat everything. Again, I need 3 bicons. Again, I need 3 bugle beads. And I continue the same way. And if you need to reinforce, don't hesitate. Okay friends, and I continue with 3 more bicons. And with the next logical steps. Okay guys, and I think you get the logic behind this. Now my thread is almost over, and I promised to show you how to cut the old thread and add a new one. And let's say I want to make here a knot and cut this old thread that's not enough for another element. That's why I find a place between 2 beads, I make a knot by making a loop and going twice, and I go through the next bead that's on my way, and now it is safe to cut my tail thread. Now guys, I'm going to pick up another long comfortable length of thread and I'll be back. Okay guys, and now I have a long thread here on my needle, and what I'm going to do is to go through this bicon here. I will hold this tail thread, and here I want to make a knot, and I'm making my knot by making a loop and going twice through the loop I've made and pull. And then I will go in this direction. I will cut this extra tail thread, and I'm going to continue with my next step where I add 3 bicons. And because you are familiar already how I'm doing everything, I am sure that you're gonna be able to do this by yourself until the desired length. If you forget something, just rewind the video, see the steps and continue. Okay guys, and when I continue beading, this is what I have. I have the desired length of my bracelet here. And I take 4 pink beads, my earring finding, and 4 pink beads. And I couldn't avoid going through the green one, but I don't want to go through it, so I'll go back. And now I want to reinforce this, okay? So I'm going through all of those beads. Okay, and I reinforce this. Now I want to make a knot and cut this tail thread. Okay, so here I will choose a place between two beads. Pull, go through the following bead, and cut this thread. Okay, now this is what I have. And from this side, guys, do you remember that I left here a thread? And I will put my needle here and I will attach this jump ring absolutely the same way as I showed you with the clasp, and I'll be back. Okay friends, and now my Bugle Beads daisy chain bracelet is ready. So if you like it and you want to see more and more videos like this, it's a good idea to subscribe with the bell, also like, share and comment. You could also check the membership option that comes with additional video courses and digital beading patterns for you. Now click on the video that you see on your screens and continue watching.